Explore unparalleled waste management solutions with Corpus Dumpster Rentals LLC, your gateway to excellence in Corpus Christi, Texas. Immerse yourself in the efficiency of our services, specializing in roll-off dumpster rental in Corpus Christi, Texas. Corpus Dumpster Rentals LLC takes pride in offering a seamless experience to our clients. Our roll-off dumpster rental services are meticulously crafted to simplify your waste management needs without compromising quality. With a commitment to cost-effectiveness, our dumpsters become symbols of efficiency, providing a seamless solution for both residential and commercial projects. Visit our website at www.corpusdumpsters.com to explore the possibilities and witness how we elevate waste disposal to new heights. We go beyond conventional waste management, aiming to transform the entire experience. Whether tackling a home cleanout, supervising a construction site, or coordinating a business project, our diverse range of dumpster sizes guarantees a customized solution to your needs. Corpus Dumpster Rentals LLC is your premier collaborator in cultivating a more pristine and well-organized environment in Corpus Christi, Texas. Contact us at 361-371-0779 and discover the remarkable distinction of our roll-off dumpster rental services imbued with a touch of superiority.